Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox offline. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox offline, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will enter to this window of Roblox and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can go to Play Store. Before that, sorry, you can don't click here clear data, because that can make you a lot of problems on your phone, and you can delete all your data. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.